At Bamde's, we believe every business deserves a website that not only looks great, but also performs. We specialize in creating custom web solutions tailored to your unique needs, helping you stand out in the crowded online landscape. Our mission is to empower businesses with stunning, functional, and affordable web presences that drive growth and engagement. Here's what sets us apart. First, our professional and modern designs. We craft eye-catching websites that reflect your brand's identity and resonate with your target audience. Whether you're a startup, an established business, or an individual looking to make a strong online impression, our designs are sure to turn heads. Next, our affordable pricing. We understand that every business has a different budget. That's why we offer flexible and transparent pricing plans that cater to a wide range of financial situations. You won't find any hidden fees or surprises with us. Our fully responsive websites are designed to provide optimal viewing experiences across all devices, ensuring that your website looks great and functions flawlessly on desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. In today's mobile-first world, this is a must-have feature that can make or break your online presence. And if that's not enough, our dedicated support and maintenance services ensure that your website is always in good hands. We're here to provide timely and efficient solutions to any issues you may encounter, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Growing your business, we have the perfect plan for you. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, our basic plan is ideal for those looking to launch their online presence quickly and affordably. It's perfect for startups, personal portfolios, or small businesses that want to establish a basic web presence. With this plan, you'll get everything you need to get started, including a custom domain, secure hosting, and technical support. Plus, our basic plan is very affordable, starting at just $5 a month plus a one-time design fee of $55. Our Pro plan is designed for businesses looking to elevate their brand with more custom features and enhanced design options. This plan includes everything in the basic plan plus additional features such as a custom email address, enhanced security, and the ability to accept online payments. It's perfect for growing businesses that want to make a bigger online statement. Start with our Pro plan today for just $7 a month plus a one-time design fee of $75. Our Premium plan is designed for businesses ready to start selling online. It includes all the features of our Pro plan, plus a full-featured online store with secure payment processing and inventory management. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, our Premium plan is the perfect choice. Get started today for just $10 a month plus a one-time design fee of $99. We're here to help you succeed online. Go to bamde.com and contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your business goals. Don't wait. Let's build your dream website together. Go to bamde.com today.